Almost there. This is gonna be great. Keep them closed.
I'm so excited. Can I open my eyes now?
Not yet. Not yet. Now!
What a cool sketch. Did you draw it, Polly?
Nope. My friend Maggie the monkey did. She told me she always admired your talent and really wants to paint it with you. So?
That'd be great. But where is she? I'd love to get started.
Maggie!
Maggie!
Where are
Maggie!
you, little monkey?
Where did she go?
Have you seen Maggie? Adam! Hey, Adam! Where's Maggie?
She was here this morning. I know because I saw her when the delivery truck dropped off the monkey's skating gear.
Hold up. Could Maggie have stowed away inside?
But that truck was headed for the airport.
The airport? Uh-oh. Adam, did you just text me?
No, my phone's been missing since this morning.
Since the last time you saw Maggie?
I guess.
This is all my fault. I told Maggie great painters get inspired by things they see all over the world. So I guess she went to see them for herself.
Maggie is in Paris? Lucky monkey!
No, not Lucky Monkey. Mischievous monkey missing in a major metropolis.
Don't worry, Adam. We'll go get her because friends help friends, right?
Right.
Come on, girls.
Oh, this is awesome.
Okay, come sit with me. Chrissy, come on. Our friend Maggie needs us.
Maybe I should stay and help Adam take care of things at the zoo.
What's going on?
Oh, I've never been outside of Polyville. Ever.
Oh, and you're nervous. But Chrissy, you're an artist just like Maggie. You'll be inspired by someplace new. Plus, you'll be with us. And, brainstorm. A little part of Polyville you can keep with you. So, what do you think?
Okay, I guess so.
Chrissy, don't you love all the artists? They're painting right here on the street.
It is beautiful here. Is it Maggie? Is she okay?
And if she is, can we go shopping?
What? I'm just asking.
Hey, Lila, what do you make of this?
It's the Jean-René Perret fashion show. Animals and people hit the catwalk together. Maggie must be there.
Thanks, Lila. Let's go.
Models and animals only.
Animals? I have an idea.
Entree.
I can't believe that worked. I can't believe Lila agreed to be an orangutan.
It's not like we're going on stage.
Oh, good, you're here. You're up. Go, go, go.
Actually,
To the glitterizer and onto the catwalk. Now.
Glitterizer? That was so cool.
Glittery orangutan is genius.
Go, go, go.
Hit it, Mon Ami. What is she doing?
Putting on a show. Come on.
It was just like my dream.
Lila, you're an orangutan.
I have weird dreams.
It's Maggie. She's at the beach.
The beach?
This beach is in the Caribbean. See the trees on that island in the background? They only grow in one part of the world. And if you want to see them from a pink sand beach, there's only one option.
Then you're our official navigator. Au revoir, Paris. We're hitting the beach.
Oh, but I just got used to Paris. Friends help friends. Wait for me!
You're right, Shawnee. This place looks just like Maggie's selfie.
So in the picture, Maggie's pointing to the island.
That's it. Let's go.
I love the salt air on my face.
Whoa! Hold on, everybody. The water's getting rough.
What happens if you get sick inside an orangutan suit? We have to turn back. We'll never get to the island in these waves.
That's not good. I know. We'll get a little help from our friends.
Polly, you speak dolphin?
It's not that different from whale. Thanks so much for coming, friends. I have a crazy idea, and I'm hoping you can help us. Huddle up.
Where'd they go?
To get help.
Brilliant.
Hold tight, everyone.
Holding! Holding! Holding!
Uh-oh! Surf's up! Brace yourselves! Come on, guys! Let's show them some style!
Whoa, that was awesome.
Thanks! Have you seen this monkey?
Yep. Friend of yours?
Yep.
Where she is now, I don't know.
Looks like I do. Snow, penguins.
Maggie's in Antarctica. So, we're going to Antarctica?
You better believe it. To the plate!
Goodbye. Say hello to that crazy surfing monkey for me.
There's so much snow. I bet if we tried, we could build a snowman as big as a Ferris wheel. Shh! Do you hear that?
They don't have monsters in Antarctica, do they?
It's not monsters. It's penguins! We're looking for a very dear friend of ours, a monkey named Maggie. Have you seen her? Maggie! 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 Maggie!
She's heading to the ocean.
Let's catch up with her. I bet you two know the fastest way to get down this mountain. Everybody, follow that baby penguin. Come on! Coming in fast! Uh-oh! Look out, look out, look out! I hope your trip was inspiring, Maggie. But now that we've found you, we better get you home.
Oh, do we have to? I want to stay longer. Whoa, that was close. Purple was a good choice, Maggie.
And we're done. What do you think, guys?
Oh, wow! The Eiffel Tower!
Oh, look, there's the island! And the penguins! Nice work, Maggie. It's a little bit of everything we did. And it even has a tiny piece of Polyville.
Oh, the pebble! Chrissy and Maggie, this is the best painting ever!
That's because we were inspired by the best friends ever.
Aww!
Right, Maggie? Maggie?
Thanks for the hay delivery. Have fun going across the country.
Hay delivery?
Across the country?
Ready for some more inspiration?
Let's go get her!
Best adventure ever!